This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 39, Work-Life Balance. Balance between work and personal life is crucial to prevent conflicts, with equal quality time dedicated to work, family, friends, and community to avoid deterioration. The lack of work-life balance stems from factors like excessive work hours globally, more women in professional roles, dual-career families, and evening or night jobs due to global operations, leading to health issues and dissatisfaction. To attract and retain talent, organizations implement friendly policies such as flexible hours, alternate work arrangements, and various leaves, while also providing child care and recreation facilities to support work-life balance. Achieving work-life balance leads to job and life satisfaction, organizational commitment, and mental well-being, while an imbalance can cause stress and illness, with work-life spillover affecting performance both at home and at work. Rather than separating life and work, individuals are integrating these roles harmoniously by dedicating quality time to work, study, friends, volunteering, leisure, and spiritual fulfillment, even if a perfect balance may not exist. Effective integration of work and life roles involves regularly prioritizing and allocating resources such as time, effort, and energy between these demands, with interventions like setting boundaries and learning to say no being crucial for happiness. In summary, work-life balance prevents conflicts and dissatisfaction. Organizations offer flexible policies to attract talent. Balancing roles brings satisfaction and commitment. Integrating work and life roles harmoniously is key, and resource allocation of time and energy is essential for achieving work-life balance. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.